At this very moment, somewhere on Earth, thunder is rolling, not metaphorically, not poetically, literally. While you read these words, more than 2,000 thunderstorms are alive across the planet. They flash, roar, collide, and collapse in an endless atmospheric ballet that never truly pauses. Day or night, summer or winter, above jungles, oceans, deserts, and cities, the sky is constantly breaking somewhere. The Earth is not a quiet world. From space, our planet looks calm, serene, almost fragile, a blue marble wrapped in clouds. But beneath those clouds is chaos. Energy is constantly rising, falling, clashing, redistributing itself. Heat from the sun drives winds. Moisture evaporates. Air masses collide. And when the conditions are right, the sky builds a weapon. A thunderstorm is born. Each year, an estimated 16 million thunderstorms ignite across the globe. 16 million. That is more than 40,000 storms every single day. Roughly 100,000 of them strike the United States alone, making it one of the most thunderstorm-active regions on Earth. And yet, for something so common, thunderstorms remain deeply misunderstood, dangerously underestimated, and endlessly fascinating. They are creators and destroyers. They water crops and flatten cities. They light the sky with beauty and kill without warning. They remind humanity, again and again, that the atmosphere above us is alive, and it is watching. Every thunderstorm begins quietly. Warm sunlight heats the Earth's surface. Moist air rises, invisible and unstoppable. As it climbs, the air cools, condenses, and forms towering clouds that stretch miles into the sky. These are cumulonimbus clouds, giants of the atmosphere, capable of reaching heights taller than Mount Everest. Inside these clouds, a war begins. Updrafts hurl water droplets upward at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Ice crystals collide. Hailstones grow. Particles slam into one another millions of times per second. With each collision, electrons are stripped away, transferred, reorganized. The cloud becomes electrically charged. Positive charges gather near the top. Negative charges sink toward the bottom. The ground below responds, building a positive charge of its own. The sky and Earth are now locked in a silent standoff. Tension rising, pressure building. The storm is no longer passive. It is armed. Rain begins to fall. Winds howl. The cloud darkens until daylight fades into an eerie twilight. Animals sense it. Humans feel it in their bones. Hair prickles. The air smells metallic, sharp with ozone. The storm is deciding. Lightning is not a bolt. It is a negotiation. Invisible tendrils of negative charge called steppe leaders snake downward from the cloud, searching, branching, probing the air below. At the same time, positive streamers surge upward from trees, buildings, and the ground itself. When they meet, the deal is struck. In a fraction of a second, the channel opens, and electricity explodes across it with unimaginable force. Temperatures inside a lightning strike soar hotter than the surface of the sun. Air expands violently. Light erupts. Thunder is born. The flash you see is not a single event, but a rapid series of pulses, lightning retracing its own path again and again, up to 30 times in one strike. Each flash is a violent discharge of Earth's electrical heartbeat. Lightning strikes Earth approximately 100 times every second. That is over 8 million strikes every day. Some strikes travel from cloud to ground. Others leap from cloud to cloud. Some stay hidden entirely, flashing within the storm itself like silent fireworks trapped behind curtains of rain. And every strike is deadly. Lightning kills hundreds of people worldwide each year and injures thousands more. It ignites wildfires, destroys electronics, and reshapes landscapes. Yet it also plays a crucial role in balancing Earth's electrical charge, and even helps fertilize soil by converting nitrogen into usable forms. Destruction and creation, wrapped in one blinding flash. Thunder is a voice of violence. When lightning superheats the air, it expands faster than sound can travel. The resulting shock wave rips outward, colliding with cooler air, folding over itself, echoing through clouds, mountains, and cities. That rolling rumble is thunder. The delay between flash and boom is a measured distance. Count the seconds. Divide by 5. That is how many miles away the strike occurred. A simple trick born of survival. But thunder is not just sound. It is pressure. It rattles windows, shakes walls, vibrates bones. In rare cases, thunder's been loud enough to shatter glass and knock people off their feet. Different storms speak differently. A sharp crack means the strike was close. A long, rolling growl means it traveled miles through layered clouds. Mountains twist thunder into echoes that seem to come from everywhere at once. In ancient cultures, thunder was the voice of gods. Zeus hurled lightning. Thor swung his hammer. Indigenous peoples across the world built myths around the sky's fury. They were not wrong. Thunderstorms were among the first reminders that humanity was small. They still are. Not all storms are equal. Some places on Earth are lightning factories. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela experiences thunderstorms up to 300 nights a year. The Congo Basin crackles with near-constant electrical storms. Florida, with its warm waters and humid air, earns the title of lightning capital of the United States. Storms also produce phenomena that feel almost supernatural. Sprites, jets, and elves flash above thunderstorms, massive electrical discharges shooting upward into the upper atmosphere. Red, blue, and violet, they last milliseconds and stretch tens of miles high. For centuries, no one believed pilots who claimed to see them. Now we know they are real. There are also thunderstorm-driven tornadoes, rotating columns of destruction capable of leveling entire towns. Hailstorms that drop ice the size of grapefruits. Downbursts that flatten forests in seconds. And supercells, rotating storms so powerful they can last hours, feeding on their own fury. Yet even now, scientists are still learning. Why do some storms produce more lightning than others? How exactly do charges separate inside clouds? Can storms be predicted with perfect accuracy? The answers remain incomplete. The sky keeps its secrets. Thunderstorms have shaped civilization. They dictate agriculture, influence architecture, drive myths, inspire art, and command respect. Entire industries exist to predict them, track them, survive them. Satellites watch from orbit. Doppler radar peers in the clouds. Sensors listen for lightning strikes across continents. Yet storms still surprise us. They remind us that technology does not equal control, that nature does not negotiate, that the thin layer of atmosphere above us is powerful beyond measure. Every thunderstorm is a reminder of Earth's living energy, cycling endlessly, violently, beautifully. 2,000 storms right now, 16 million every year. A planet that never sleeps. The next time thunder rolls, remember this: you are not just hearing a storm. You are hearing the sound of a restless world, alive, electric, and forever moving. And somewhere right now, the sky is breaking again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love the stars too. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey through the cosmos. Keep looking up and stay curious.